Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you an updated customized packaging mold solution, developed by our technician Mr. Zhang after internal discussions and based on the customer's specific requirements. Let's first explain the revised stacking layout. The bottom layer is the base packaging layer, with the filter cartridge placed in the middle. The second packaging layer features a grooved structure that allows the filter cartridge to fit tightly and securely into place. By adjusting the orientation of the components, we were also able to effectively reduce the overall mold height. Compared with the previous design, which had a hollow middle layer, we have now added foam support structures in the center. This improvement prevents collision between individual modules and provides strong internal support. Even when heavy objects are placed on top, the product is less likely to deform or collapse. In addition, positioning points are designed at all four corners of the mold, ensuring that each packaging layer remains firmly aligned after assembly, further enhancing protection for the filter cartridge. This mold is fully manufactured using CNC machining. In the next stage, we will continue evaluating potential optimizations to reduce raw material usage while maintaining sufficient structural strength. This is our first version of the packaging prototype. Now let's take a look at the optimized overall dimensions. The total height is 495 meters. The length is 490 meters. And the width is 420 millimeters. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone.